Ooh, what a kind today. Say, overheater. Overheater. Ooh. Ah. And here's easy. I'll leave. Great. And how much it happen for? Oh. What is this? On nature and science. Well, we're going to the Science and Nature Museum of History. Yay! What are you doing? I know in a history snake. A snake. A snake. I love the Shirts and Museum. And then I'd be dinosaur. And that would be a shark, be per animal skirt. What do you think? Henry, I read the scenes of zoo and in our science map test. One sea baby mermaid dive where they go take a swimming. See the tradition happen. Ooh, science in a museum. Museum of history. I love it. I love nature and science school. It's cool. See you next time in school. Bye.